Assalamu alaikum. Students, we are going to study static electricity. Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges within or on the surface of the material. The charges remain until it is able to move away from by the mean of electric current and electric discharge. Static electricity is named in the contrast with current electricity. If you have noticed that when you rub balloon with your hair, both balloon and your hair acquire static or non-moving electric charges due to the friction between your hairs and the balloons. These charges cause the attraction between the balloons and your hair. We are going to perform that experiment in which we rub the balloons with our hair and then bring the balloons towards the pieces of the paper that are placed on the table. You can see that the attraction between the balloons and the piece of the paper. Here you can see that few attraction between the balloon and the piece of the paper, because electrons are transferred on the surface of the balloon towards the paper. Similarly, when you rub the balloons with your hair, you can place on the surface of the wall. It can easily attached on the wall because the electrons are transferred on the surface of the balloon towards the wall unless these are transferred to the wall that attached to the wall. The balloon is attached with the wall. That is the example for the static electricity. As we know that the atom is composed of three particles, that are electron, proton and neutron. When an atom loses electron, it gains a positive charge because the number of positive charges are increased on an atom. Similarly, when an atom gain electron, the number of negative charges are increased in an atom. As a whole, atom is a neutral because the number of plus charges and negative charges are same. And the other most important thing, that is same charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. Now you can see that attraction between the wall and the balloon, that it means that on the wall and the balloon both are oppositely charged. That is why the attraction is occur between the positive charge and the negative charge.